Hey guys, I'm back home. I'm on holiday and I thought to start a vlog. So let's go. Coffee break. So as I've said, I'm back home in Romania, in Timișoara, and I'm going to be here for the next 2 weeks, and I'm visiting the area. I'm being a bit of a tourist, you know, and I'm doing this vlog and photos. We are going to head home now because it's really hot outside and I don't want to be in this heat. It's just not funny. And for the next week we don't have any plans. We're gonna see what we're gonna do, but probably we're gonna stay in our area. We're not going to go to the seaside or something like that. We could, but we don't want to. So yeah, we're gonna see what we're doing. I'm gonna take you with me. I plan to show you what I do here, who I'm meeting with, what, you know, just in general what a vlogger does, because the last time I filmed a vlog here, it was last year in the summer, and I filmed more of a, I don't know, I guess historical vlog. It was a bit more educational, but this time it's going to be more easygoing, you know, just what I'm doing, where I'm going. That's all you're gonna see. So yeah, I hope you like it. It's evening, it's Sunday still, and we are going out for drinks, and it's going to be a chill evening, nothing very special, but I just wanted to say hi, pop in, and you're coming with me where I'm going. I hope I'm going to be able to show you my outfit if I can find a mirror or something, and it's just a casual blouse with white trousers and my trusty black bag, and yeah, that's about it. tomato seeds that I brought from Germany. Well, my mom actually, but we bought it there and they grow now in Romania and they are amazing, trust me. They are so good. It's Monday, a new day, a new week, and I just wanted to pop up and say hi because I didn't film today. We were at my parents' house and it was amazing as always. We ate, we slept, we relaxed, and it wasn't anything to film. It wasn't interesting for you. But yeah, I think tomorrow we are going to go out and I'm gonna take you with me. And for the rest of the week, we still have no plans, but we are going to make some plans, probably tomorrow. And yeah, so just want to say hi. So we are in a place called Beauties and it's not much to see, just this Citadel, and I think this is the downtown. So guys, this is the Citadel from here, from Beauties, and it's not much to see. We are going to head now towards Pixie Hollow, I think it's called in English, Valea Zânelor. So everyone, we are obviously here and I filmed, but I'm gonna film some more and we're gonna meet our friends. The gang is coming to us and they are gonna, you know, visit as well, and then we are going to eat something because we are famished. But anyway, it was kind of charming, you know, to drive from village to village and just to see how people live. Started to rain, we had to flee, and it was nice. We accomplished our target. I have my beautiful pictures, I've seen the place, it's nice, and I think the hype is real. And now we're going to go eat something and maybe, if we have time, visit a place that is here nearby. I really hope we can eat here because they have fish and I love fish. So guys, we are at the palace, at the Brukenthal Palace, and this was in the same area. We had to do this, and now we're finished here. We did some photos, I filmed a bit, and we will head home now because it's in the evening. It's enough, and yeah, I think I have enough material for this vlog. So herewith I am going to end this vlog. I'm going to say goodbye. I hope you liked it, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you in my next tutorial.